ever come up with this chemical to kill cancer?
What if I told you that the fruit you threw away this morning contains compounds that scientists say can literally starve cancer cells to death, and you've been ignoring it your entire life? Stay until the end, because fruit number 7 has been banned in some hospitals for being too effective. Let's get into it. Before we start, I need to be crystal clear. I'm not saying throw away your treatment plan and get a banana. What I am saying is that researchers at institutions like Johns Hopkins, Harvard, and MD Anderson have discovered specific compounds in these 7 fruits that do something remarkable to cancer cells. And the pharmaceutical industry, they're racing to synthesize these exact compounds into drugs. But here's the thing, you can get them right now at your local grocery store. Let's start with number 7 and work our way to the most powerful one. Number 7, blueberries. But here's what nobody tells you. These tiny blue bombs contain something called pterostilbene. Sounds complicated, right? Think of it as resveratrol's angry older brother. And what does it do? In laboratory studies, pterostilbene has been shown to trigger apoptosis. That's the scientific word for cancer cell suicide. The cancer cell literally destroys itself from the inside out. But here's the catch. You need to eat them consistently. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that the anthocyanins in blueberries work best when consumed regularly over time, not just once. The power move? Freeze them first. Freezing actually breaks down the cell walls, making the antioxidants more bioavailable to your body. You're literally getting more cancer-fighting power from frozen blueberries than fresh ones. Number 6, pomegranates. And this one's personal for me. My grandmother used to say these looked like little ruby jewels. She had no idea she was literally eating nature's chemotherapy. Here's what researchers at UCLA discovered. Pomegranates contain L-gitannins that your gut bacteria convert into urolithin A. This compound has been shown in multiple studies to slow the growth of prostate cancer cells specifically. But it gets wilder. A study followed men with rising PSA levels after prostate cancer treatment. Those who drank pomegranate juice daily, their PSA doubling time went from 15 months to 54 months. That's nearly 4 times longer before potential recurrence. Now, I'm not saying pomegranate juice cures cancer, but when scientists are publishing these results in journals like Clinical Cancer Research, we need to pay attention. Pro tip, drink the juice with a meal containing fat. The polyphenols absorb better with dietary fat present. Number 5, strawberries. But wait, before you scroll thinking you already know about these, researchers at Ohio State University did something fascinating. They gave freeze-dried strawberry powder to people with precancerous esophageal lesions. Within 6 months, the precancerous cells decreased in most participants. The secret weapon? Fisetin. This flavonoid doesn't just fight cancer cells, it also activates your body's cleanup crew called autophagy. Think of it as taking out the cellular trash before it becomes a problem. Here's the hack nobody talks about. Eat them with full-fat yogurt or cream. The fat helps your body absorb up to 2.6 times more of the beneficial compounds. Your grandmother was right all along. Number 4, red grapes. And yes, I'm talking about the ones you snack on, but also they're fermented. Cousin, you've heard of resveratrol from red wine, right? But here's what the wine companies don't want you to know. You get more resveratrol from eating red grapes than drinking wine. Why? No alcohol interfering with absorption. Studies at the University of Rochester show that resveratrol can sensitize cancer cells to radiation therapy while protecting healthy cells. It's like giving your treatment a force multiplier. But here's the game changer. Eat the seeds. I know everyone spits them out. But those bitter seeds contain oligomeric proanthocyanidin complexes, or OPCS. Research in Carcinogenesis Journal found that grapeseed extract induced cell death in up to 76% of Leukemia cells in laboratory studies while leaving healthy cells untouched. Can't stand the seeds. Grapeseed extract supplements are available, but whole food sources are always superior. Number 3, apples. And I need you to stop peeling them immediately. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. More like an apple a day helps keep cancer at bay, but only if you eat it right. That peel you're throwing away? It contains something called triterpenoids. Cornell researchers found that these compounds in apple peel have potent anti-growth activity against liver, colon, and breast cancer cells. But it gets better. The pectin in apples, that fiber everyone talks about, it's not just good for digestion. Your gut bacteria ferment apple pectin into butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that's been shown to inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells specifically. A study in Plantamedica found that people who ate an apple a day had a 21% lower risk of cancer overall compared to those who ate less than one per week. Choose variety. Red Delicious, Granny Smith, Fuji. Each type has a different polyphenol profile. Rotation is your friend. Number 2, papaya. This is where things get controversial. There's a researcher in Australia named Dr. Nam Dang who's been studying papaya leaf extract for over a decade. His findings? They're remarkable and uncomfortable for some people. Laboratory studies showed that papaya leaf extract produced anti-cancer effects on tumor cells from cervical cancer, breast cancer, liver cancer, lung cancer, and pancreatic cancer. The active compound? Acetogenin. This molecule has been shown in studies to inhibit the production of ATP in cancer cells specifically. No energy, no growth, no survival. But here's what makes papaya special: the enzyme papain. This protein-digesting enzyme may help break down the protective protein coating that cancer cells hide behind. Now, I'm talking about the actual fruit here, not miracle cure extracts online. Eat it ripe, eat it green in, salads, but eat it regularly. Southeast Asian cultures have used papaya medicinally for centuries. Science is now validating why. Number 1, soursop, also called graviola. And this is the one that gets people heated. In the 1970s, the National Cancer Institute tested soursop and found that its leaves and stem were effective at attacking cancer cells. But here's where it gets interesting. No pharmaceutical company could patent a plant, so the research went quiet. Convenient, right? Recent studies have shown that soursop contains acetogenins that are 10,000 times more potent than chemotherapy at killing certain cancer cell lines in laboratory settings, and they do it without harming healthy cells. Now, finding fresh soursop in the US is tough unless you're in South Florida or Hawaii, but soursop, juice, frozen pulp, and teas are available online. A word of caution: talk to your oncologist before consuming large amounts, especially if you're on active treatment. Why? Because it's that powerful. Some hospitals have actually restricted it because it can interfere with certain imaging tests. So there you have it. 7 fruits with serious research backing their anti-cancer properties. But let me be absolutely clear, cancer is complex. It's not one disease, it's hundreds. These fruits are not cures, they're tools in your arsenal. The real magic happens when you combine them with conventional treatment, regular exercise, stress management, and good sleep. Think of it as stacking the odds in your favor. Your action step today? Pick 3 of these fruits and commit to eating them 4 times this week. That's it. Small, consistent actions create remarkable results. If you found this valuable, smash that subscribe button. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.